Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to unscrew a screw down back using a two-prong tool. So this is going to be the watch wrench that has the two prongs. You can also find the one with the three online. So as you can see, the one right here, and this one is going to be the one from the Joris Basic Watchmaker Toolkit. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. So as you can see on the back of this watch, we have these notches that signal the fact that this is going to be a screw down back. This particular tool, so the two-prong watch wrench, is going to have a wheel in between the two prongs that, as you can see, when I rotate in one direction, it is going to set these two apart, and then if I rotate in the opposite direction, it is going to get them closer together. Now what we want to do is to make sure that we have the right distance between two prongs right here. So as you can see, I need to get them just a little bit closer together. And then when I feel that everything is in place, I can rotate in a counterclockwise direction, so to the left. Now something really cool when it comes to this particular Basic Watchmaker Toolkit is that it also has this watch holder that can be used for chronograph watches as well, since as you can see we have two extra places for the pushers. So what we can do, we can actually use this in order to have a better grip of the watch, just like this, in order to unscrew the back of the watch. So let's try with this as well. After you have rotated just for a few times, you will be able to unscrew the rest using your bare hands, and then you'll have access to the watch battery and replace the watch battery. In case you want to watch the full guide with how to replace the watch battery on your Pulsar chronograph watch, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And I also have a full guide on how to use all the basic watch tools from the Joris Basic Watchmaker Toolkit, as well as a link to the kit itself in case you are interested. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. Once again, make sure to check out all the links in the description box below. In case you found value, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Leave a comment, let me know what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.